Hi, are you dealing with knee pain that seemingly is worse in the morning and then about an hour or two after tends to get a little bit better as the day goes on, and then the pain sort of picks up again into the evening? Then you may be dealing with some sort of knee stiffness or arthritic change in the joint that may be contributing to some of that knee pain. Today we'll be discussing some knee pain home exercises, home remedies that you can do at home to help loosen up that joint and also to create some safety around that area, just knowing that you can do some movements that are safe and effective for that joint. So we'll go over 3 exercises today, and they're very, very simple. So, first exercise, from a seated position, what you're going to focus on is a squat. So just a sit to stand exercise. Now, when you're focusing on creating healthy movement through the knee joints, you don't want your knees to collapse as you stand. So when you're sitting, you want your legs externally rotated just a little bit so the knees are pointed outwards. And then as you get up, you're going to keep a nice upright posture. You can use your hips here for support, and you're going up. And then we come right back down like so. So up all the way through and right back down like so. You want to perform a sit to stand exercise with as much control as possible. So you don't want to come forward, risk the chance of falling, or when you sit back, you don't want to swing yourself back. You want to be nice and controlled with an upright posture, really ensuring that your knees are out and that they're not folding in. So really focusing on getting the knees outright, and when you do so, you'll feel your hips start to work a little bit more, and then you push through your quads, the muscles in the front here, to extend that knee joint. And then as you sit back down, you're using the back, your glutes and hamstrings to have a nice controlled seated position. The second exercise that you're going to want to perform when you're experiencing some knee pain and you're looking for home remedy exercises is a heel slide. So you'll find yourself either on a bed or on the couch, and I like to put a pillow just underneath my neck here so it's nice and comfortable. You lay down nice and flat. And so imagine that it's your left knee, my left knee here, that's a bit sore, and I want to create some mobility. All you're going to do is you're going to take the knee, and you see how my heel is just sliding back and forth. I'm going to use my hamstrings in the bottom here to slide that heel up and toward me. And then I'm slowly going to slide that heel away from me, pushing that knee all the way out and back, just like so. Now, you don't have to go as far back as this. You work within a comfortable range. You don't want to push into pain. So you take it to that point of resistance, and then you let that leg extend back out. I usually like to pick nice even numbers, between 8 and 10, slow. This exercise isn't about speed. It's about control, activating the muscles in and around that knee joint so you have support. The second exercise, or the third exercise rather, is a knee extension based exercise. So from this position, the knee joint moves in 2 different directions here: extension and flexion. Most times, and people will have a lot of knee pain, you have difficulty straightening the knee out the whole way. So a great way to get some extension is to put a pillow under your knee, just like this. So my knee is already propped up into flexion. And then what you're going to do is extend that knee against the pillow. Now, why the pillow is here is for support. So it's not painful, because as soon as I let go, the pillow is going to prop me right into flexion again, into that position of relief. So you just push against, just like so. You see how I'm extending my ankle there at the bottom, just to get a good stretch through the back of the knee and into that calf, just like that. So extending up and then relaxing the leg back down. Again, it's not about speed, it's about control. So nice and slow up and relaxing that knee back down. So there you have it. 3 great exercises to perform at home to help knee pain home remedies. Alternatively, you could also do icing, as well as elevating the knee, or compressing the knee joint with a sleeve or stocking to help reduce some of the swelling in that area. I hope this helps.